Hello, everyone, and welcome to 8slides.com. We're thrilled to have you. Today, we're tackling artificial intelligence, or AI. You hear about it everywhere, but what does it actually mean? Over the next 8 slides, we're going to break down AI into simple, digestible pieces, perfect for beginners. We'll cover the basics, see how it's used, and even touch on its future. So, let's get started and make AI easy to understand. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? Simply put, it's about making machines smart. It's teaching computers to do things that usually require human brains, like learning from experience, solving problems, and making decisions. Imagine a computer that can understand what you're saying, or recognize a picture, or even drive a car. That's AI in action. It's not about feelings, but about smart capabilities. We'll explore how it achieves this next. How do these machines get smart? A major way is through machine learning. Instead of telling the computer exactly what to do step by step, we let it learn from data, like showing a child many pictures of cats until they can recognize a new cat. We feed AI tons of examples, it finds patterns, and learns to make predictions. Think of it as learning by example, discovery, or even trial and error. It's the engine driving much of today's AI advancements. Not all AI is the same. We mainly talk about 2 types. First, narrow AI. This is the AI we use every day. Think of your phone's assistant or Netflix recommendations. They're super smart at one specific job. Then there's artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This is the sci-fi kind, AI that could do anything. A human can, intellectually. We're not there yet, but it's the ultimate goal for some researchers. Today, all the AI you interact with is narrow AI. AI isn't just in labs, it's all around us. Your virtual assistant? That's AI. The movie suggestions on Netflix? AI. Waze telling you the fastest route? AI. Even your social media feed and spam filters use it. These are all examples of narrow AI making our lives more convenient and personalized. It's constantly learning and adapting to serve us better. What makes AI work so well? 2 key ingredients: data and algorithms. Data is like the AI's fuel. The more and the better quality, the more it can learn. Think of all the information AI systems process. Algorithms are the instructions, the recipe the AI follows to make sense of that data and perform its task. Getting both right is essential for smart AI. The future with AI is incredibly exciting, touching everything from healthcare to how we solve global problems. But it also brings up important questions about ethics and responsibility. Want to keep learning? Head over to our YouTube channel for more AI explainers and check out our blog at 8slides.com for deeper dives. Stay curious and keep exploring the amazing world of AI. So, to wrap up, AI makes machines smart, learning from data using algorithms. All the AI you see today is narrow AI, focused on specific tasks, and it's already integrated into our daily lives. Keep exploring these topics by subscribing to our YouTube channel and visiting us at 8slides.com for more easy-to-understand AI explanations. Thanks for joining us.